Today, we're unboxing not one, but two of Vivo's hottest new launches, the ultra-compact S30 Pro Mini and the stylishly sleek Vivo S30. One is all about flagship power in a pocket-friendly size. The other, a lightweight stunner with a premium look that might just outshine your iPhone. From unboxing to design, camera tricks to first impressions, there's a lot to unpack. Stay tuned till the end to find out which one might be your next perfect daily driver. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from TechMakey. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. The S30 Pro Mini arrives in Vivo's signature square lunchbox packaging, sealed for authenticity. Its ultra-compact design fits comfortably in one hand. Small in size, big on impression. Inside, you'll find a 90-watt fast charger, 11 volts 8.2x with a USB-A port and a high-spec 8.5S cable. Thick, durable, and 99 centimeters long. Unwrapping the device feels like a ceremony, marking the start of a sleek and powerful experience. The S30 Pro Mini impresses with its ultra-compact straight screen and refined metal frame. Subtle curves along the screen and edges create a seamless, comfortable in-hand feel. Its mint green matte finish bezel adds elegance while resisting fingerprints. Dual microphone cutouts sit on top, with the power button on the side and volume rocker conveniently placed on top, perfect for its compact size. At the bottom, you'll find the microphone and SIM card slot. Be sure not to mix them up. Every detail is thoughtfully designed for both form and function. Slim, stylish, and surprisingly light. Vivo S30 Pro Mini. From the side, the S30 Pro Mini is slim and sleek. Its pure minty color palette blends freshness with macaron-like warmth, enhanced by a fine frosted finish that's smooth and skin-friendly. At first glance, it appears to have a dual camera setup, but this is the Pro model. It cleverly houses a triple camera system within a minimal design to keep the look clean and the device lightweight at just 190 grams. Elegance, performance, and portability, beautifully balanced. When placed side by side, the S30 Pro Mini and the standard iPhone share a similar footprint, but Vivo brings a livelier, fresher aesthetic, especially in our tone-on-tone color choice. Under different lighting, the S30 Pro Mini's minty hue and pronounced metallic frame stand out with a bold, premium feel. From the front, the contrast in design is instantly noticeable. Vivo's S series nails the flagship look, and with the Pro Mini, you're getting compact power with flagship-level refinement. This video is just our first impression. Stay tuned for the detailed review coming soon. Make sure to subscribe and join our tech community to catch it first. Meet the latest from Vivo's best-selling S series, the S30. It features a slim, lightweight design with a sleek flat screen and narrow profile that feels effortless in hand. Though it has a non-metal frame, the painted finish gives it a premium touch. No surprise it's so light. Around the back, the peach color option stands out with a soft pink gradient radiating from the camera module. It looks like a dual camera setup, but it's actually a triple lens system, designed to appear lighter and cleaner without sacrificing capability. Weighing just 193 grams, the Vivo S30 offers a standard-sized body with ultra-slim bezels that stand out immediately, especially when compared to an iPhone. It's similar in size to an iPhone Plus, but with a noticeably sleeker border. Even next to the iPhone Pro Max, the S30 holds its own in appearance. You get flagship dimensions in a surprisingly light and compact package. Truly impressive design work by Vivo. What was your first look at the compact powerhouse Vivo S30 Pro Mini and the elegant ultralight Vivo S30? Both phones bring a premium design, smart camera layout, and a refreshingly modern feel, each with its own personality. Let me know in the comments which one would you pick. And if you enjoyed this unboxing and want to see full reviews, camera tests, and comparisons, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Tech Squad. We've got a lot more coming your way.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a